everyone, this is Michelle from the design team, and welcome to the Love from Lizzie video channel. And I will be doing 4 cards today using the Summer Punch kit, the June kit. So let's start right away. Oh, actually, first of all, let me show you. I did over on my channel 4 cards. They were super quick, super easy cards. And the whole idea was we used 4 sheets of the 6x6 paper, cut it down, and we swapped out papers with each other, so it gave us a really interesting pattern. 4 cards that were the same, so they were very quick. So we're going to do something similar to that today. You can check out on my YouTube channel if you want to see how that all worked out over there. You can see what I did. But let me show you what we're going to do today. So I picked out 4 papers and I die cut using the Stitched Arch nested dies, and I used the second one in to die cut the papers, and then I used the largest one and I die cut all the purple cardstock. So I'm making 4 cards, so I did 4 of these. I have my card bases, and then I took 4 pieces of paper and die cut them. So the whole idea here is we're going to do some mix and match. And I cut them all exactly the same, but we're going to mix and match just to have some fun with this. So the first cut, the bottom pieces, those are 1 inch, okay? And then the next piece, the middle, is 2 inches, and then whatever was left on the top is what the top is. So I started at the bottom and used my paper trimmer to cut these, okay? And now we get to mix them all up, okay? And does not matter how we do it, you just don't want the same paper. Actually, I'm gonna switch that to there, there. Yeah, you just don't want the same paper together. All right, so now we have 4 card panels that we're gonna glue onto our purple ones that we've already cut. Right. Just a fun way to kind of have some pattern play with the paper by mixing it up just a little bit. And a new way to use your die cuts. And if you cut them all exactly the same, then it will all fit. And then even the stitching will line up. Okay. So see? That is it. So now we can take this and we can glue that onto our card base. These are all going to be birthday cards. So I went ahead, on my last video, I did use the sentiments that came with the stamp set, but today I am using a birthday die so we can make birthday cards. And this is just a really quick way to make 4 cards and have some fun with them. I really love the pattern paper in this card kit. I thought the colors were super pretty. Definitely colors I like. You want to make sure your pieces are all touching, so each section touches. There we go, that's the front. Okay. And then we're also going to be using some of the ephemera and another die cut I will show you to be dressing up the front. So they'll all be birthday cards, but they'll all look slightly different. But, you know, obviously all the same theme. Let's see, this opens on that side. Oops, let's just center this. I have a little bit of a hard time there. Okay, there we go. And let's do our last one. Here we go. I like to start from the bottom piece, but you could start from the top if you wanted. Move that. How is everybody enjoying this Summer Punch kit? I think it's super cute. I love the colors. Lots of fun stuff in it. She always puts lots of fun, unique things into her kits. Okay, and I'm going to show you how we're going to finish these off. So I die cut for each one this vine, which is Autumn Breeze Flourish is what it's called. So we have one of those for each one. We have a die cut. We have a Birthday Wishes, which I used the mirror cardstock from the add-on kit for that. So it's going to look really pretty. And then the dies that came in the kit is this really pretty, I thought, little like citrus floral flower. And so I die cut 3 of those that we're going to put on our vine. Okay, so they're all going to look similar, all, you know, have the same components basically, but different pieces of fruit. And they'll all be the best birthday wishes. So that way I will have 4 birthday cards. Let's get some glue on here. I'm going to put that off to the side. And you could definitely use foam squares if you wanted to pop any of this up. It's going to layer right on. I really love the mirrored cardstock that came in the little add-on. It's really pretty colors. Looks so good. Let me see here. I don't have my pokey tool here, I don't think, but let's see if this pencil will work. I still have a little bit of the die cut right there that I left from the machine. I didn't pop those out. There we go. Okay, best wishes, and then, oops, I lost one of my flowers. Oh no. Oh, there it is. Good. Okay, let's glue on these little citrus flowers. And I printed them, or I die cut them for all the cards, even though not all the fruit is citrus. I just feel like they look like an orange, the little blossoms that are on the orange trees, but I just thought they were so cute. Okay. So our next one is going to be a strawberry. I guess these do kind of look like flowers that a strawberry might have as well. Let's see here, if we just put glue mostly on the leaves, I think we'll be fine. So we're going to take, and I took the biggest fruit ephemera because the fruit comes in a couple of sizes in your kit. I'm going to go ahead and glue this down. And I liked the really big ones. I did not do a good job making sure I had the little center thing out there. Okay. Just put a couple of dots in some key places here. This mirror cardstock, just, I love it because it's so shiny and it stands out so nicely on the card. Just put our little blossoms. And the die is really nice because it does cut on these little flowers, or not cut, but indents little lines, which I think add a lot to the flowers. All right, so next up is going to be some big cherries. You can see this is really easy. Once you get a card design that you want to do, you make it in different, basically pattern paper or different colors. And so it's really, simple to do this. And it goes really quick. So you get quick cards. Sometimes we just don't always have a ton of time. And so it's important to be able to make something quick. I think I want it like that. And then I had two little things here that, there we go. Get a little glue on here. And here's my flowers. Now I was thinking for the flowers, the kit came with these little pink circle stickers. So I was thinking maybe we should put those in the center of each flower. And that could be super cute. So we'll do that at the end. Our last one is going to be the peach. If I can get this out, there we go. All right. This is a large peach, or maybe, I think it's a peach. I don't think it's an orange, but I guess it could be an orange. I was thinking peach though. Okay. Another nice thing you could probably use is like a double stick or double-sided adhesive like paper to die cut on. You put that sheet, and that way you don't have to glue these. They would just peel off. You could do that. This birthday wishes. Oops. This one's going to go kind of right behind there. And then I was thinking the smallest sticker might make a really good center. For these little flowers. And you've got this really great sticker sheet that came. So look at those little flowers. I like that little pink in them. I think that's super cute looking. So we'll do that. On all of them. Oops. I forgot to bring over to where I film my little pokey tool to like, I could help get these off, but that's okay. That's super cute. That pink is really great on the white. And what's nice too is they're flat because they're a sticker, so you're not going to be adding any type of 3D effect that might make it hard to mail if you're planning to mail these. So there's that one. And here's the last one. There we go. Come on. It's like it knows it's the last one, so I don't want to come off. Hopefully everyone has been enjoying their summer punch kit, making lots of pretty cards. I know I have really enjoyed this kit. The colors are so pretty. There. And there's that one. So 4 cards, all similar, super quick. And then if you want to see my other video on my channel, there are 4 cards as well, super quick. Like that was my theme, is how do I do 4 cards and have fun with the kit. And that's what I did. Alright, thanks so much everyone for joining me. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to the Love from Lizzie channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.